Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed here adult pneumatic subject, unit number 5, lecture number 6, pneumatic component control and valve and circuit. So, see, in this lecture we have covered the various valve. Now, the objective of this lecture, to understand the construction and working principle of various pneumatic valves. Learning outcomes at the end of the session, students come to know construction and working principle of various pneumatic valves. Pneumatic time delay valve explains construction and working of time delay valve with schematic diagram. Used in pneumatic, explain the application with circuit. Time delay valve, it is used whenever delay of operation is required. It is used whenever delay of operation is required. See, in this diagram, time delay valve, first is a valve body. This is valve body. Second, air chamber. This is air chamber. Third, adjusting screw. This is adjusting screw. Opening PARZ. This is openings PARZ. Non-return valve. This is non-return valve. And valve spool. Sorry, this is non-return valve and this is spring. So time delay valve type. This is on, off mode. This is time delay. See here, for off mode, this is time delay and position. For on mode, this is time delay and position. Check valve, change the direction of the check valve here in off mode, opposite to the on mode. Circuit of time delay valve. In the circuit, the time valve hold the cylinder in extended position for the predetermined time set on the delay valve. This is the delay valve circuit. See here. Question 4, explains construction and working of quick exhaust valve with schematic diagram used in pneumatics. Explain the application with circuit. Quick exhaust valve, these are help mainly with DC valve to quickly exhaust. They are used for quick operation of actuator. A fast exhaust valve is used to vent cylinder quickly at prime. See, this valve help mainly the DC valve to quickly exhaust. They are used for quick operation of the actuator. See here, this is quick exhaust valve to cylinder, and from cylinder. See, this is from main line to the direct cylinder. And here, air enter from main line to cylinder and air quickly exhaust to atmosphere, like that. So, fast exhaust valve is used to vent cylinder quickly. It is primarily used the spring return pneumatic cylinder. The device shown in figure consists of movable discs with allow port A to be connected to pressure port P. Large exhaust port R. It acts like as the same symbol as shutter valve. The typical application is shown in figure. Fast exhaust valve are usually mounted local directly on cylinder and speed of response by avoiding any delay from return pipes and control valve. They also permit simpler control valve to be used. Circuit using quick exhaust valve, we can see here, this is circuit for quick exhaust valve. Thank you. Today we are also cover here lecture number 7. See here, in this lecture, our objective, what is electropneumatic and understand speed regulating method in pneumatic system. This is our objective of these lectures. Now, outcome from this lecture, concept of electropneumatic. At the end of session, student come to know concept of electropneumatic. Student can understand what are speed regulating method in pneumatic system and their operations. So electropneumatic is a system tool that is work using the air pressure, air flow, but control using electrical device. Actuator is pneumatic and controller electric circuit. Comparison pneumatic versus electric. Pneumatic complicated, control simplicity, electric simple. Using one logic wall, many device. This is one device. Few development, many development. Logic wall, stepper module, time wall, counter wall. Time counter, digital logic, HMI connection, fuzzy control, SCADA. This is in electric wall. Comparison also in pneumatic, slow signal delivery, fast signal delivery, cylinder, actuating device, motor, linear motor, final control element, direction valve and transistor, processing element, logic valve and operating amperes, input element, button valve, button, energy supply, air pressure, battery. Component designation by letter, working element A, compressor P, sensor S, valve V, and other component Z. System circuit design diagram, working element, control element, processing element, input element, energy supply element. This is system circuit for the diagram for the valve. Solenoid principle, alternating current, direct current, battery. Transformer, rectifier, stabilizer, power supply unit. Solenoid principle, coil and core. When the electric current flows through coil or magnetic field is generated, the following applies to strengthen the magnetic field. Increase the number of winding, increase the strength of current. The following applies to the weaken the magnetic field. Lengthening the coil, reduce the field. Electropneumatic element, solenoid valve, P converter, magnetic proximity switch. P converter, NN valves, magnetic proximity switch. Pneumatic speed regulating method. The pneumatic valves are similar to hydraulic valve in terms of physical concept. They are categorized into three classes: pneumatic valve to control direction, to control pressure, to control flow; check valve, inlet, sliding spool valve, shutter valve; pressure regulator, flow control valve; meter in control. See here, control the speed, meter out control, also here. Meter in control, see in this circuit, at position second, the air goes to rod side of the pistons and piston side air removed to the atmosphere by through checking valve, sorry, non-return valve. Meter out control, here also meter out control, here also at the outlet of the accumulator provide a one-way valve or checking valve. So in this way, here we have discussed meter in and meter out control circuit. This is circuit used for the speed control. Magnetic proximity switch also discussed. Pneumatic speed regulating method. The pneumatic valve are similar to hydraulic valve in terms of physical concept. They are categorized into three classes. Pneumatic valve to control direction, to control pressure, to control flow. Pneumatic valve to control direction, to control pressure, to control flow. Check valve, one-way sliding spool valve, shutter valve, pressure regulator, flow control valve. Magnetic proximity center. In this lecture, we have discussed here electropneumatics. Electropneumatic is a system so that it works using the air pressure, air flow, but control using electrical device. Comparison of electric and pneumatic. System design circuit. Solenoid principle, electromagnetic element. PI converter, P converter, magnetic proximity switch, pneumatic speed regulating method. So in this method, pneumatic valve to control direction, to control pressure, to control flow, to control directions, check valve, a way sliding spool valve, shutter valve, a control pressure regulator, to control flow control valve. This is meter in and meter out used for controlling the speed of the circuit. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. So today we have stopped here. Thank you.